I'm Chef Amanda Rehel. I am new here to Totem at Feast, and I'd like to start with acknowledging that we are on the traditional unceded land of the Musqueam people. Today I'm going to prepare for you some scallops with lavender pickled blueberries. Let's get started. I'm going to get my pot going. I've got 150 grams of white balsamic vinegar and 150 grams of water. We're going to add 20 grams of regular white sugar, and we have some fresh lavender that was supplied to me from our beautiful UBC farms. Our beautiful UBC farmed blueberries. And to the jar I'm also going to add a little bit of extra lavender. So now that our pickling liquid has steeped, we're just going to pour this over top. This is a quick pickle. I would give these 24 hours before they're ready to go. So these will last you a month like this. We have some local Alcombe Bay scallops. These are ocean-wise. I consider scallop steak of the sea. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our scallop, and we're gonna make some very thin slices. The difference between a crudo, which we're doing today, and a ceviche is a ceviche is actually cooked in the citrus, whereas a crudo is, it means crude or raw. And so we're just gonna finish it with a little bit of the pickling liquid. Really nice finishing olive oil. Fresh torn mizuna, which has a really lovely, I would call it citrusy and peppery at the same time. Garnish with things that are found in the ingredients, like lavender.